Okay, so this lesson is for week 4, lesson 6. This is how the questions are going to be worded, and it's sort of implied that you're going to have to use synthetic division. So let's talk about this. So on this problem, it says that given that x minus 1 is a factor, okay, so if x minus 1 is a factor, that means that x equals 1 is a root, all right? That means that if I plug 1 into that expression, I should get 0. So, but what it's asking, it's not asking for the remaining roots, it's asking for the remaining factors. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that root, that 1, and we're going to send it through synthetic division. Okay, and what this does is it depresses the polynomial. I know it's a weird expression, it's like it makes it sad, but literally we're taking one of its roots away so that we can find the other roots and the other factors. So let's see, you bring the first number down, you multiply and get 2, you add and get 7, you multiply and get 7 and add and get 3, you multiply and get 3 and add and get 0, right? So these are what are called the coefficients of the depressed polynomial. Okay, so I should have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. All right, so I'm trying to find the remaining factors from this, meaning I should be able to find numbers that multiply to be 6 and add up to be 7, which are 6 and 1. I divide by the leading coefficient and reduce the two fractions if possible. So this is 3 over 1, this is 1 over 2. If I read these from bottom to top, I should have my two remaining factors. One of them is x plus 3 from this, and the other one is 2x plus 1 from this. Okay, so the remaining factors are x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Okay, so now let's scoot this up. Let's try another one. Okay, so notice again, the wording is exactly the same. So if this is a factor, that means that x equals -2 is a root. So I'm going to send the root through synthetic division. So 3, 1, -12, -4. Okay, and I'm expecting to get a 0 here, right? I should get a 0 because it tells me that it's a factor.